This hair is a no. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be doing one of my favorite videos to do. I'm like obsessed with buying these Cinderella wigs, these synthetic wigs, these one night only wigs. They're so fun to try on and get different looks at affordable cost. So if you have not seen any of my Cinderella synthetic wig videos, I call it a Cinderella wig because it's like one night only. You can't wear a synthetic wig for more than one night. If you can get those wigs to act right for more than one night, please let me know what the secret is, because most of the time after the next day that hair looks a hot mess. The first night is beautiful. Like sometimes you can't even tell that it's not real hair. So today I'm trying out another wig from my favorite online beauty supply, Sam's Beauty. Guys, today the Cinderella wig that I am going to be trying out is another one from the Janet collection. It is the Melt Natural Hairline with Extended Lace Part wig, and she is a curly girl. This is my first time trying a curly wig from Janet collection, but I have tried a few of Janet collection wigs before. I'll put the links to those videos down in the description box. As I said, I got this wig from Sam's Beauty, my favorite online beauty supply. I love them. It's fast shipping. They have everything on that site. Like, you'll get lost on that site and you'll have yourself in trouble with yourself from ordering too much from that site. So we're going to jump right into this video. I'm going to get my hair all pulled back and put a wig cap on and see what this wig do. So let's transform it. Alright guys, so I am back. I have my hair all laid down. I have on a brown wig cap. I like to use these light brown wig caps. I get those from Sam's Beauty as well. I don't too much like doing the makeup on the cap. It's just too much. Listen, I love wearing wigs, but it takes a lot of work. So I try to cut the steps down. Why is this wig so hard to get out? I try to cut the steps down as much as possible. So this darker wig cap does the job. Okay, I'm trying to get her out of the packaging. Okay, here she go. Here she go. Look at that. I don't think I'm gonna like this wig. It's like a cat. Rawr. Rawr. This hair is big and it's already like nappy. Yeah, I didn't know that it had these dark roots on there. It says that it has a Swiss lace. It comes with a T part in the inside. Has 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back. But she is huge. But we're gonna see how we can finesse her to look good. Because guess what? Cinderella wig, and she's for one night only. Alright guys, I would just have to do a small disclaimer. I'm so sorry. I have been so stuffy today. So that's the problem. My nose is stuffed up. Ew. And that is so gross. So already on this wig, I'm not liking these dark roots. I'm not liking it at all. I do not like how she feels. She just is like so big. Oh, she's so big. And I know if I put something on her, it's not gonna work out. Alright, so I'm going to ew. Alright, so I'm going to go in with this Even Lace Wonder lace adhesive. I got this from Sam's Beauty as well. Just everything from Sam's Beauty. The layer is feeling like kind of dry, so I'm gonna put a second layer. So she has dried and I got the lace all cut off, so we're going to put her on and see how she looks on. Okay guys, so I got the wig on. I have let it sit for a while because I had watched the video and the girl was saying like she let it sit. And so let's take it off and see if it is on. Yep, it is glued down. Alright, so it is glued down. And let me tell y'all, I'm not feeling this hair. Look at this. This is what this hair is giving me, like, I am not feeling this hair at all. I know my husband's gonna be like, what is on your head? That's what it looked like. I'm not liking this hair at all. So let's talk about it. This is Alyssa Dr. Ash Rose from the Janet collection. It says she is pre-plucked, pre-customized natural hairline. All that is true. All that is true. It does not say that she is a wild cat on top of your head. Alright, so I'm going to like cut this out to do some baby hairs, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what to do with this hair. This one right here is like a mystery for me because it's so big, y'all. And then like I just said, like it's tangled. Like you can't do nothing with this hair. Like I could put a hat on maybe. Like I don't know, this hair is giving me like, I don't know what this hair is giving me, but this hair is not it. Like I love wig reviews, I love doing them, but this hair, honey. Okay, let me stop. I'm going to try to I'm going to try to do something. I'm going to try to get some baby hairs. I'm going to try to put like some mousse on it, because if I can get it to lay down, I always tell y'all do not use heat on this hair because it's not real hair. But today I am going to put some heat on this hair just to see if it'll lay it down a little bit. Y'all see how the roots look? I don't like how those roots look. Like those roots is just not what's up. So I'm gonna get the hot comb and I'm gonna try to push it down a little bit. I think I'm gonna get some mousse or something. That's probably gonna make this hair even worse. Look, it don't look like, do that look the same? I know it's a different color, but it's not giving what it gave her. It's giving me boom, 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 boom. So I went ahead and I cut some baby hairs on the hair, and that's the most that I'm gonna be able to do with this hair. I don't know if I'm gonna say this hair for like a 70s party or a night out. I don't know what I'm gonna save it for, but it's not gonna work. Alright, so I went ahead and I like put a little baby hairs in it. There's nothing more that I want to do this hair. I was going to try and like put some mousse. I was going to try to like put some mousse on it or try to use the hot comb to straighten it out, but I'm scared to. So I'm going to just leave this hair as it is. These videos are always so fun to do. Like I'm not too disappointed with it because I feel that I'm gonna be able to use it down the line. I'm just gonna take it off, put it in the bag, and use it whenever I can use it. If you do like this hair, like I said, it tangles. It does tangles and it shit. Look at that. But if you do like this hair, give it a try. It's from Sounds Beauty. I hate that I glued it down. So now I gotta go through the process of taking it out because I cannot walk around with this hair. I can't go anywhere in this hair. I don't even want to go in my backyard with this hair. So this hair will be for a party or something. Maybe I can put on a hat and make it cute. Maybe put it in a ponytail. See, that's cute. Like get a clip or something and make it cute when I do want to wear it. But just outright just wearing it today, nope, it's not happening. Let's see if I try to flip it over a little bit, like to the side. Okay, that's a look. But listen, it's not gonna be today's look. I'm not wearing this hair today. Again, if you want to know what this hair is, it's the Janet Collection Melt. It is Alyssa and Ash Rose. Get it from Sounds Beauty. I'll put the link in the description box. It may or may not be available still because I always get all of these wigs on the daily deal, and sometimes they like sell out and then they're done. You might be able to find them. Maybe Janet Collection has a site. I'm gonna look that up, and if so, I'll put that in the description box. I can't stop touching it now. This is like kind of a look. Yeah, this is kind of a look. This is cute. That's cute. Put some makeup on and everything. Yeah, she'd be a hot girl. Yeah, but this is not a look for today. This is too much hair. Did I turn around for y'all? You see it in the back? It's so big. It's too much hair, but it's doing something, I guess. It's doing something. Okay, guys, if you like my Cinderella wig reviews, synthetic wig reviews, please hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button. Tell a friend, tell an auntie, tell a sister, tell somebody about our channel. We are the Andrew Squad, if you did not know. Until next time, I'm going to see you guys later. Peace.